having that hands-on experience definitely benefits you. That's the best way I learn anyways, honestly. So coming from the WTI program to instilling into the hospital, I wasn't as nervous.
My instructors here at WTI were able to help me in my day-to-day, just being available to answer any of my questions and being able to, if I didn't understand the way that they explained it, being able to explain it in a different way.
Career Services helped me to find a career right almost at the end of the whole program. I went to speak to them about the resume. They helped me set up my resume. They helped me perfect it to make it look more professional. And they also helped me find job opportunities online.
The feeling of being able to walk across the stage at graduation felt amazing.
When I came here to WTI for the pharmacy tech, I pushed myself. And then once I got to the end, it felt so good to actually walk across that stage. Since attending WTI, I've been able to achieve a full-time position with the hospital. I'm learning something new every single day.